Soft girl English vocabulary. Speak gently and beautifully. Let's go. Bloom, bloom. You're blooming into such a confident person. You're blooming into such a confident person. Serene, serene. The lake looked so serene this morning. The lake looked so serene this morning. Wholesome, wholesome. That was such a wholesome conversation. That was such a wholesome conversation. Delicate, delicate. Her voice was soft and delicate like a whisper. Her voice was soft and delicate like a whisper. Grateful, grateful. I'm so grateful for little things like morning sunlight. I'm so grateful for little things like morning sunlight. Radiant, radiant. She looked radiant after her vacation. She looked radiant after her vacation. Tranquil, tranquil. The garden was tranquil and full of peace. The garden was tranquil and full of peace. Kind-hearted, kind-hearted. He's the most kind-hearted person I've ever met. He's the most kind-hearted person I've ever met. Gentle, gentle. Be gentle with yourself. You're doing your best. Be gentle with yourself. You're doing your best. Cozy, cozy. I love cozy evenings with a tea and a blanket. I love cozy evenings with a tea and a blanket. Tender, tender. She give him a tender smile. She give him a tender smile. Dreamy, dreamy. The sunset looks so dreamy tonight. The sunset looked so dreamy tonight. Blissful, blissful. It was a blissful morning full of sunshine. It was a blissful morning full of sunshine. Graceful, graceful. Her movements were slow and graceful. Her movements were slow and graceful. Charming, charming. He has such a charming personality. He has such a charming personality. Affectionate, affectionate. She's very affectionate with her friends. She's very affectionate with her friends. Sincere, sincere. Her words were simple but sincere. Her words were simple but sincere. Lovely, lovely. That's such a lovely idea. That's such a lovely idea. Radiate positivity. Radiate positivity. She radiates positivities everywhere she goes. She radiates positivities everywhere she goes. Soft spoken, soft spoken. He's soft spoken, but his words are powerful. He's soft spoken, but his words are powerful. Heavenly, heavenly. This cake tastes absolutely heavenly. This cake tastes absolutely heavenly. Warm hearted, warm hearted. Everyone loves her because she's so warm hearted. Everyone loves her because she's so warm hearted. Peaceful, peaceful. I love peaceful nights with a soft music. I love peaceful nights with a soft music. Adorable, adorable. That little puppy is absolutely adorable. That little puppy is absolutely adorable. Glowing, glowing. You're glowing today. What's your secret? You're glowing today. What's your secret? Sweet natured, sweet natured. She's so sweet natured, she's never complains. She's so sweet natured, she never complains. Bubbly, bubbly. Her bubbly personality makes everyone smile. Her bubbly personality makes everyone smile. Delightful, delightful. It's being such a delightful morning with you. It's being such a delightful morning with you. Soft hearted, soft hearted. She's too soft hearted to say no to anyone. She's too soft hearted to say no to anyone. Ethereal, ethereal. She look ethereal in that white dress. She looked ethereal in that white dress. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.